Welcome back. I would love now if you can really concentrate, put the attention. This is really quite important. We are going to talk about this social media, especially Facebook page optimization. I will show you a few examples and let's start now. So first of all, I can see often people don't really put so much effort into it, but just this very first point, it's extremely important, because it's really important, this profile picture, that you really think about it. You really decide, well, here it is extremely good, so people, they really get connected to it, and it's very useful. And why is it so important? It's important because other people, they see the post from you, they can see this, so it's really important. Like the same here is like okay, so that's quite nice for people. So it's important that you really think about this. You can see here we got these people, that okay, we will really help you. So it's really nice picture. I like it a lot, and it's quite important, when you see the post is loading, that you can see there are people, so other people, if you promote any post, whatever you push, it's important that you really spend the time on this, and you really, this we will get into it, services, don't worry. So it's important that you really think how you really choose this profile picture.